Pimintahan o ayaw mong magpautang. Uubusin ka ng langgang. Namamangka, pasakayin, yaring bata. Pagdating sa Maynila, ipagpalit ng manika. Ale-ale, namamayo, pasukubin, yaring sanggol. Pagdating sa Malabon, ipagpalit ng bago.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.